Automating Instagram theme pages is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Choose a specific theme or niche for your Instagram page. This could be anything from travel and fashion to food and fitness. Having a clear theme helps attract a targeted audience. Plan your content strategy by deciding on the types of posts you will share, such as photos, videos, reels, stories, and IGTV. Consider the frequency of posting and the overall aesthetic of your feed. Utilize social media management tools like Later, Buffer, or Hootsuite to schedule your posts in advance. These tools allow you to plan and organize your content, ensuring a consistent posting schedule. Use content curation tools like Canva or Adobe Spark to create visually appealing graphics and images for your posts. You can also curate user-generated content related to your niche to diversify your feed. Use automation tools like Jarvee or InstaZoot to automate interactions such as likes, comments, and follows. However, use these tools cautiously and avoid excessive automation to prevent account restrictions. Track your Instagram performance using analytics tools provided by Instagram Insights or third-party platforms like Sprout Social or Iconosquare. Analyze metrics such as engagement rate, follower growth, and post reach to optimize your strategy. Partner with influencers or other theme pages within your niche to cross-promote content and expand your reach. Use influencer marketing platforms like Aspire IQ or Upfluence to find suitable collaborators. Keep abreast of current trends and algorithm changes on Instagram to adapt your strategy accordingly. Engage with trending hashtags and participate in challenges to increase visibility. Ensure your Instagram bio and profile are optimized with relevant keywords, a clear description of your theme, and a clickable link to your website or landing page. Regularly audit your content performance and strategy to identify what's working and what's not. Adjust your approach based on insights and feedback to continually improve.